Hey, I'm back out here. Today, I just want to cut stuff up. I want to get more familiar with my chainsaw before I start falling trees. Just want to feel it out more. And as you can tell, I have lots of stumps that are older than I've been alive. They're over 40 years, but I got major stumps everywhere. And I just want to cut them down and just get more familiar with my chainsaw. So let's start cutting stuff up. I just warmed the chainsaw up, so it should be good to go. When I got the chainsaw, I just cut the top off of that one. And I was just cutting into this one. I haven't tried really cutting it up yet, but today, let's see if I can decapitate it. Come on, buddy. Start. One chunk out, clear all this other debris out. Good thing there's no, all the snakes should be hibernating right now. Throw this. Good thing you didn't see that it didn't go all the way. Just want to make sure there's no rocks in here. I don't want to dull my chain already. Maybe I need to put gas in it. I'll BRB. Let's try this again. Gotta pick this mess up. I'm not worried about smoothing it out. I got other stumps to trim down. Ooh, that wasn't good. And then I could worry about fixing it later. So let's go find another one. want to get all this wet, dead tree in the chainsaw. So I got to clean up a little bit. I try to get off what dead stuff I could already, but then once I cut into it, you see more. Then my goal is once I cut these down, to cover them with a tarp, and hopefully just burn them. Get my chainsaw all dirty, and myself. Come on, buddy. Hang on. Supposed to start easy. It's already warmed up. There's all that wet stuff in it, not good. I could smell it overheating. Gotta clean that out and clean that tree out. Yeah, it's all wet and sludgy. Yeah, I didn't cut all the way through. There's all this nasty stuff in the top of it. That part's rotten. Clean this guy out real quick. Make sure it's off. A nice, good, clean one. Fudge. Oh yeah. It's dirty and they're bad. Sludge. Definitely have to take this apart when I'm done, clean it out. Might be too hot because I can smell it. Let's see if I can get her going again. Yeah, it's too hot right now. I'm gonna kill this. We'll kill this feed. I'm gonna go clean it, get my brush, and take it apart. I'll be back. what I've learned so far is it's not a good idea to try and cut half-dead stumps when they're soaking wet. It just makes your job a lot harder. Come on, there we go. Thought it'd be a lot easier because they're dead, but not when they're wet. It clogs the chainsaw. A lot of crap came out of it, and I probably just got a lot more in. My dad told me to try and keep this part away from where I'm cutting as much as possible so that it will prevent getting as much crap inside of here. We shall see if it'll start right back up or if it still has. See, look at all that. That's why it's not good to cut them wet. But it's Washington. If it's not too hot during summer, then it's wet. Let's hope it's not too hot again. Come on, buddy. Yeah, it smells too hot right now. I don't want to give it a break again because I'm just going, and I just cleaned it. And I gotta clean it again because too much shit gets in there. And then it just heats it up too quick. Shit falling out. Let's see if I gotta wait a minute or if it'll start up for me. Gotta wait another minute. This part I don't like. I don't want to flood it. But here, while I'm waiting for that to cool down, I'll show you what I plan on doing next that hopefully won't be as bad on the chainsaw. So let's come over here. Yeah, you can see I started a fire over there. It's not going too well now. I'll get my flame torch out. See this tree stump right here? I dug some of it out. There's a giant rock right there that I can't get. But I don't want to dull my blade yet and get more crap in my chainsaw. I tried cutting it a while ago with either the Ego battery or this 16 steel. Didn't quite cut through it, but I dug under it this time. So after I could finish that half rotten stump there, I want to do this guy right here because he's a headache. So hopefully my chainsaw's cooled down a little bit. I could finish tackling this guy right here. But yeah, see, it's all this sooty stuff that gets inside the chainsaw and it's overheating and making it stink. And before I cut it, I took a rake to it to try and get most of it out. But as I cut, then it exposes more. So yeah, it's definitely not fun. And yeah, it's just a freaking sponge. So I'm gonna set this down and try and finish this guy. I didn't want to cut that one again. Just can't get nothing done because I get too much crap in it. So I wanted to cut this branch that was in the way. Digging it out helped. It's rotten. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah. It's rotten, but it wasn't a sponge like that sucker right there. I don't know what else to cut. Well, I do, but I just want to still go easy on my chainsaw. So maybe I'll find another stump that's not so bad. Or I could finish digging this guy out and cut that other chunk off. Maybe that's what I'll do. We'll see. Out. And then we'll cut them and hopefully not be too much work on the chainsaw. There's a root in there. It's almost like clay stuff. have a collection of rocks there. Because when I get a good amount, I put them in buckets and then I take them home for landscaping. No point in buying them when I got them all over the place here. There's a big rock in there. Not that big. Oh, there's another one. I can hear it. That's one thing I don't want to hit with the chainsaw is rocks. Rock. Might be a big sucker. I think it is a big sucker. Try on this side. Got it. I'm throwing the dirt behind me where there used to be a burn pile, so it's not just ashes. Oh, fudge. Go a little higher. Ooh, and of course, big old rocks. Right where I need to cut. More progress. Almost where I want to be. I think I should have it. Where I put the chainsaw behind me. Get these guys out of here. That's clay chunks. Rocks. You're gonna stay there for now. Oh yeah, chainsaw works great when I'm not cooking it with some wet sawdust. All right, I like that. I at least cleared somewhat of a walk path now. Like that guy behind me, I'll have to dig that out some more. This guy's not light. Here's some of the rotten stuff. It's a rock. Clay. Nope, rock. It's not that late, but it's winter, so we don't have that long of days. I might call it a wrap. I'm not sure yet. I still want to cut stuff up. I'll find something. Saw these and I thought, why not just cut these guys too? Get them out of the way, looks better. Let them dry out and burn them. They're starting to rot, but they're not like the rest of them. And yeah, being that my Husqvarna's new, like second, third time I've used it, I'm pretty impressed, except for when I cut that stuff, which I think it would kill any chainsaw. Not kill it, but put it out of order and make you have to clean it, take it apart. But yeah, I'm still loving this thing. When I take it home, I'm gonna take it apart, clean it all out. But yeah, I'm happy with it. Still a lot to do, but as I get to cut stuff down, I feel good about it. A while ago I said I was gonna ask my husband for a chainsaw for Christmas, and he said nope, because if I hurt myself, he'd feel too bad and he'd take the blame for it. So I got myself a chainsaw. So if I hurt myself, it's all my fault, which it would still be all my fault, whether he bought it for me or not. But he got me lots of GoPro accessories, new batteries. I got a new memory stick to save all my videos on. So my next video, I'll show you all my accessories. Maybe we can give it a review. I got a new microphone that I could clip on me. I didn't want to bring it out today because it might make my chainsaw sound louder than it already does. So yeah, next time we'll use I'll show you everything I got. We could see if it's worth the money or not. But I think all my accessories were from Amazon. So if they turn out to be pretty good, they won't be hard to find. But yeah, it's getting dark out. I better start putting stuff away. Cover this pile up so I could burn that hopefully next time or the next time. And again, if you guys like the video, please give me a thumbs up or give me a subscribe. I would like to get my numbers up. You don't even have to watch it again. Just click subscribe and I'll be happy. But I appreciate every one of you, and thanks again for tuning in. I appreciate you. Thanks.